Is this market manipulation?
No.
Why not? If it was a plan, if it was always the plan, how is this not market manipulation?
It's not market manipulation.
What if I told you about a single tweet from a U.S. president might have triggered a market spike and potentially made investors a quick fortune? This isn't just another political headline. This is about insider trading, ethics, and one oddly timed message. And it all revolves around Donald Trump, a tweet, and the stock symbol, DJT. Here's what happened. On a Wednesday, Trump posted on social media that it was a great time to buy. Shortly after, he announced a policy change, easing up on some newly imposed tariffs. And just like that, the market jumped. Now here's the kicker. If someone saw the tweet, bought in, and sold after the announcement, they could have made a very nice profit. These kinds of timing coincidences aren't just weird, they raise serious questions. Democrats in Congress called on the SEC and Office of Government Ethics to investigate whether Trump or anyone close to him engaged in insider trading or market manipulation. Why? Because government officials are supposed to make decisions in the public interest, not based on their personal financial gain. And this tweet looked, well, pretty strategic. The White House quickly pushed back, claiming Trump's tweet was meant to reassure Americans and calm the markets. Republicans echoed that sentiment, saying, "Come on, the market was down. Of course it was a good time to buy." One even called the idea of insider trading ridiculous. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Trump signed the post DJT, just his initials, right? Well, DJT also happens to be the stock ticker for Trump Media, his own publicly traded company. And wouldn't you know it? Right after the tweet, Trump Media stock shot up, twice as much as the broader market. That's despite the fact that Trump Media has nothing to do with tariffs. So, what does this mean? If Trump used his public platform to subliminally boost his own stock value, that's a huge deal. Market manipulation is a federal offense, and while proving it requires intent, the optics alone are damaging. And if anyone close to Trump had prior knowledge of the tweet or the tariff reversal, that could be a case of insider trading. This raises a bigger question. Should public officials be allowed to own or influence stocks while in power? It's why some lawmakers are pushing for a ban on stock trading by members of Congress and the executive branch. So, was this tweet just presidential optimism, or something a little more calculated? Are we looking at a coincidence, or the clearest example yet of a modern market manipulation tactic? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is Trump playing 4D chess, or did he cross the line? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the wild world of tech, money, and power.